how to auto turn off interaction control on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here. So click on accessibility. Now here, so click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on interaction and dexterity, so if you want to turn off auto interaction control, so you will see interaction control is here. So click on interaction control. So interaction control shortcut. So if you want to turn off interaction control, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see auto turn off interaction control. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can turn off auto interaction control on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.